Hello Gr7. In today's video we're gonna continue our revision sheet of the SSE, and we have stopped at number 15 in the multiple choice. Executive power in Turkey is shared between the President and Prime Minister. Number 16. Who became the President of Syria after Hafez al-Assad death? Of course, his son Hafez al-Assad died, and his son Bashar al-Assad became the president, and he is the president till today. Lebanon is best described as landlocked desert country east of Israel, a large mountain country of the Black Sea, a small lowland country south of Jordan, a small mountain country on the Mediterranean coast. Alright, let's go to number 17. Lebanon is best described as a landlocked desert country east of Israel, a large mountain country on the Black Sea, a small lowland country south of Jordan, a small mountain country on the Mediterranean coast. Of course, it is a small mountain country. A small mountain country on the Mediterranean coast. From the 1970s through 1990, Lebanon experienced a war with Israel, a civil war, a relative peace, a war with Syria. Actually, they experienced a civil war, and it was very bad for them. A lot of people died. Number 19. At the time of Jordan's independence, most Jordanians lived nomadic or semi-nomadic life, lived in or near the city of Amman, where Palestinian refugees worked in agriculture. Yes, it is lived nomadic or semi-nomadic life. Guys, just to remind you, nomadic life, this kind of life when the people move from a place to another, like the Bedouin life. Arabic speaking people who live in the desert of Southwest Asia are Bedouins, Jews, Kurds. Yes, they are Bedouins. Let's go to number 21. Which of the following territories is not claimed by the Palestinians? Gaza, the West Bank, the Bosphorus, East Jerusalem. Yes, it is East Jerusalem. The Bosphorus. Excellent. So which of the following territories is not claimed by the Palestinians? It is the Bosphorus. Number 22. If Ataturk hadn't been president. Guys, number 21 is cancelled. That's 21 is cancelled. I'm gonna delete it now for you. Please cancel it. Number 22. If Ataturk hadn't been president of Turkey, would have given women the right to vote, wouldn't have adopted Islam, would have already become part of the European Union, wouldn't have adopted many Western reforms. That's of course number D. because he adopted a lot of Western reforms. He made the country of Turkey secular country, and he tried to make it industrial country, modern country. That's why if he wouldn't be a president, he wouldn't have adopted many Western reforms. Number 23. For several years after Lebanon's independence, it was recognized by Israel. A bloody civil war went on. Politicians of different background were able to share power. Sunni Muslims ruled the country. What happened, guys, after the independence in 1940s? What happened to Lebanon? Politicians politicians of different background were able to share the power. So it's C. Let's go to number 24. What river runs through Turkey, Syria, and Iraq? One river runs through all of them. Do you know the name of it? It is number C, the Euphrates River. Then we gonna go to the next questions. Number 25. Istanbul is Turkey's largest city, but space is the country's capital. It is today's Ankara. It is the capital. So after World War I and after Mustafa Kemal Atatürk became the president and ruled the country, he moved the city or the capital from Istanbul to Ankara. Space means that religion is kept separate from government. It means secular. Secular, guys, it means when the people who rule make the system that religion is kept separate or kept far, or the religious people will not be involved in the situation of ruling the country. That's secular, and that's all the Western countries in Europe and the USA system is going on for today. 27. Are the largest minority group in Turkey and make up 20% of population. They are the Kurds. Yes. Most of Lebanon's people are either Muslim or Christian. Southwest Asia, sometimes referred to as Middle Southwest Asia, Middle East. Alright guys, let's go to true and false. The Seljuk Turks captured the city of Constantinople in 1453 and made it the capital of their empire. That's false, guys. Who the first Muslims who could control this city, Constantinople, invaded? They are the Ottoman people, and they made it later the capital of their empire. The Dardanelles and the Bosphorus and the Sea Marmara separate Europe from Asia. That's true. Turkey has mainly desert and Mediterranean climate. That's false. Secular means that religion is kept separate from the religion. That's true. Damascus, Syria is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world. Alright, number 34. Damascus, Syria is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world. It is true. So guys, we have finished. Please concentrate in your lessons, concentrate in your revision sheet. and I hope you will stay fine, and thank you very much.